Best free AI tools for content creators in 2025. If you're a content creator and still doing everything manually, that's cute. Adorable, actually. But in 2025, you either use AI or AI uses you. Here are 5 free AI tools I personally use to survive the content hustle without crying blood. Opus Clip, the I'll make you go viral AI. Opus Clip takes your long videos and slices them into viral shorts with auto subtitles, zoom cuts, and attention-grabbing hooks. Example, upload your 5-minute gym vlog. It finds the 17 seconds where you nearly drop the dumbbell and turns it into a motivational short. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, or anyone with commitment issues and long videos. Free tier 60 minutes month, enough for 10-15 videos. Paid starts around $9. Clean voice AI because you sound awful. This tool removes all your an awkward silences like a digital slap in the face. Example, it edited my 10-minute video into 6 minutes just by deleting my stammering anxiety. Use it when editing voiceovers or interviews, especially if you record at night with 0 sleep and full regrets. Free tier, trial available with watch 30 minutes credit. Paid, Tel Melmo for real creators who hate editing. ChatGPT with custom GPTs. Your Ghost co-creator. Already using ChatGPT? Great. Now use custom GPTs like Video Script GPT, Instagram Hook Generator, Real Caption Master. Example, you say, I want a script about AI tools for lazy creators. It replies, say less. Here's a 500-word banger. You already pay for ChatGPT Plus, so use its full potential before OpenAI charges us for breathing. HeyGen, AI avatar that speaks for you. Camera shy, low confidence, bad lighting, no face, no problem. HeyGen lets you create an AI avatar that talks using your script with realistic lip sync and 0 shame. Example, make a virtual you give motivational quotes at 5 a.m. while you're actually asleep like a king. Free plan, 1-minute video month. Paid, 24-month, steep but crazy powerful. These tools saved me hours, brain cells, and one friendship I was about to lose over video editing delays. If you don't want to be replaced by AI, at least use AI. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel or I'll leak your browser history in the next video.